Good morning. You join us on hopefully the day this thing will finally spark up. A few weeks ago, I optimistically, let's call it, decided to catch the train to London, buy this thing and ride it all the way home. Bearing in mind, only 50 cc's, no motorways, no dual carriageways, etc, etc. I was doing great until I stopped to phone my friends who live near Fleet, and it never started again when I tried to carry on. I've got spark, fuel, but it just did not start. Anyway, a few weeks later, and thanks to my new best mate Kev, who's been a fantastic support and mechanic, we discovered that it was low compression, and so the head has been off. New valves have been fitted, incredibly fiddly because they're minuscule. Insert valve picture here somewhere. But yesterday, Kev got the head back on, having lapped the valves in, and I started putting everything back together. There are loads of sensors and complex bits and pieces on this tiny little engine. But today, I'm hoping that it might actually spark up. So, fingers crossed for that. Okay, it is with great trepidation that I'm about to start, or try and start, this little bugger. I've connected everything apart from the airbox. I've put coolant in it. It's got gearbox oil. It's got engine oil. It's connected as best I can see. So here goes nothing. I wish I felt slightly more confident. That's the fuel pump. Oh my God. No hands. He's running. I can't believe it. There it is. There it is. Not really looking any different than it looked before when I picked it up, but God knows there's been a huge amount of effort and not inconsiderable expense to get the little basket going. So I am gonna tuck it back in the garage, take Boo back home, and then I'm coming back for the first test ride. Stay tuned.